gift Ostallos haasi kana kufara, anouya panapa achivava achidya magaka pamusoro pesha mari yake nemamwe machin champion, vana honorable Jameson Timber, vana Amos Chibaya nevamwe vekuavondale. Usandapinda mashoko anobuda achitaura musara nhasi. Kuti subscribe, like, turn on the bell. Timber paendo pake achiti it's 135 days since honorable Timber and the Avondale 78 were imprisoned after enduring torture and degrading treatment by regime and its agents in Harare. Those who have spoken out against this inhuman treatment have been silenced, brought out, further pushing our country towards a defect and one-party state. The rampant abuse of power, impunity, and carefree attitudes are defining our nation today. Many have succumbed to despair, leaving citizens vulnerable to unprecedented levels of abuse and serious democratic backsliding. It's to be the worst kakistocracy, as Share would say. Liberators don't exist. The people liberated themselves. We, as a people, must continue to fight and not let our fighting spirit die, homeland or death. Free Timber. Thomas Komra talk about Ostallos Okonzera. We must free ourselves. Noda kokuti my liberators exist. Anouya advocate achiti aiwa, we advocate patriotic demand immediate release ya Jameson Timber nevamwe kuavondale nevamwe vakakepchiwa nethe regime political prisoners, achivati aiwa izvi inhuman, tinyazo kuona kuti muri kunyazoviolate human rights. Mashoko anobuda togwana Ostallos Okonzera. Tudze mafungiro enyu pena comment section medu. Subscribe, like, and turn on the bell.